Aquí está. Tramo. Cierto. Tramo nereye? Tramo no. Está ahora. Oh, está. Ahorita tu tramo no. Ya fue tan rápido.
A UFO was caught on camera by an airplane flying over South Korea. The video shows a strange object moving through the sky. It is disc-shaped and appears to be glowing. The object moves erratically, changing direction and speed suddenly. It also seems to be accelerating, even though there is no visible means of propulsion. The video was taken by a passenger on an airplane flying from Seoul to Jeju Island. The passenger, who has not been identified, said that they saw the object out of the window and started recording it with their phone. The video of the UFO over South Korea is one of the most compelling pieces of evidence of alien life ever captured. Here are some of the arguments that have been made in favor of the authenticity of the video. Number 1. The object is clearly visible in the video, and it is not easily dismissed as a hoax. Number 2. The object is moving in a way that is not consistent with any known aircraft or weather balloon. Number 3. The video was taken by a passenger on an airplane, which makes it unlikely that it is a hoax. So what you think? Please let me know in the comment section below because I value your opinion and comment. Thanks for watching.